factory based in Dongguan. I'm also chairman of HKCPMA, and HKCPMA is also a member of the Asia Corrugated Case Association, which is ACCA, and also the member of ICCA, which is the International Corrugated Case Association. I myself spent 9 years in Canada studying industrial engineering, obtaining my master's and bachelor's degree. So a brief history of HKCPMA. So it has a very long history. It has over 50, to this year celebrates our 59th anniversary. So in 1965, 12 corrugated paper factories in Hong Kong formed the association. And our members experience in the past almost 60 years, the rapid expansion of Hong Kong and also China, especially in the South China area. So in 1985, Hong Kong opened up factories for opened up manufacturing to a lot of Hong Kong factories. And so Hong Kong factories moved up north starting in the 80s. And of course, everybody knows the rapid expansion of China's economic reform. And China has become the biggest user of corrugated and packaging materials in the world. So introduction about the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area. So I'm not sure if everyone is familiar with this concept, but the central government of China has been promoting and leading to form a Greater Bay Area in south of China, and especially in the Guangdong province. So the Greater Bay Area consists of 9 China cities and 2 SARs, SARs being special administrative regions. Obviously, it's Hong Kong and Macau. And the 9 cities together, it has an area, like a land area of over 5.6 million kilometers square, and a population of close to 100 million. Official number is 86 million, but I think it's more than that. So, and the GDP is around 13 trillion in 2022, and it's still growing. And just to give you a concept, what this GDP means, the 13 trillion consists of 25% of the total GDP of China. And also it exceeds the GDP of the entire country of Korea. So just to give you a concept that this Greater Bay Area that I'm in Dongguan right now, and it's massive, just to say the least. Introduction of the corrugated industry. So there are some numbers over here, and so China, just to give you a summary, China consumes 32.46, close to 33% of the world's lightness and medium, making it the biggest producer and consumer of lightness and mediums. And in the GBA alone, it consists of, which is consistent to the GDP, it contributes to 26% of the China's corrugated industry. HKCPMA's role, being a Hong Kong association, registered company in Hong Kong, has always been a connection between our motherland, China, with the rest of the world. And that's why we are active members in ACCA, which is Asia, and also International Corrugated Case Association. And our goal is to connect and develop the corrugated industry in the Greater Bay Area. Next topic will be the corrugated industry in Asia and China. So the production of corrugated cardboard in major countries and regions in the world in 2022. So we can see that China is way ahead in terms of the corrugated board production. And it's as mentioned before, it has over 33% of the world's corrugated consumed. So it's the consumer of the corrugated board. So it's the biggest in the world. So just to give you some numbers, China paperboard size in 2022, it's 887 million square meters, and compared to Europe, which is 612, and America's, which is 372. So it's a very big market. The world's global corrugated packaging production continues to grow. So I always say that our industry is not it's still growing. It's still growing year by year. So and especially in Asia, so Southeast Asia and China, the corrugated box production is still growing. This shows that the production growth of corrugated cardboard in China from the year 2000 to 2022. So even through the pandemic, it has been growing. The status right now in the industry, there are a few challenges and opportunities. And for the corrugated industry situation in the Asia and China, we're experiencing a bit of production overcapacity, which is driving the board prices and the sheets prices down. Raw material prices is also on a downtrend. And the global demand is falling after the pandemic, which I guess everybody is experiencing right now. Geopolitics is playing a more and more important role between China and the rest of the world, which affects the corrugated papers, the entire economy, basically. And liners and mediums, as mentioned, is at an all-time low. Cardboard box profit is low because of the overcapacity, and the competition is very high. Labor costs continues to go up. Young people are not joining the industry. And obviously, one of the biggest topic nowadays is ESG. So the governments, or not just the government, not just China government, but everywhere globally, environmental protection policies are more and more important. So opportunities and trends in the South China corrugating industry. Continuing on the ESG topic, the China government green initiative. By 2030, China government aims to have the carbon dioxide emissions to be at the highest, but it has to start to come down. And in 2060, the goal is to have carbon neutrality. And the trend is to increase paper packaging consumption due to the recycling material. And online consumers, e-commerce is still continuing to increase. And the leading brands, well, everybody really is starting to look at company ESG. So obviously in this very tough market, we noticed that there are a few trends. The first thing is their need for new products. So the development of new products is, we can see there are two major trends. Obviously, there are a lot of other trends, but I'm highlighting the two, which I think is very important right now. The first one is for our industry, for corrugated products, it's not only for packaging anymore. So we're producing like biodegradable and recyclable products, such as the purpose is to replace one-time plastics. And we can see many governments, many countries, or even Hong Kong and Australia, the governments are imposing laws to replace one-time plastics with biodegradable products. And also for production-wise, there's a need to improve in energy efficiency and carbon footprint, improve in carbon footprint. E-commerce is also another big opportunity in my view. e-commerce in China is growing and it's getting bigger and bigger, and there's really a big need for personalization, and brand names and big companies recognizing that e-commerce packaging is promoting their brands, and they're actually it shows them there's a brand, or there's more and more about printing and also the design of how their products is packaged. So we can see that that's the growing trend. Also, in terms of like the actual design of the box or the packaging, there's a real need to customize for different products, optimizing transportation costs and distribution costs. In terms of the production processes in corrugating companies, corrugating plants, we see a trend to meet the market demands because of the lower the prices that are being very competitive, and the general market as very competitive. So there is a real need for corrugators to upgrade. We have seen a trend in southern China, in the GBA, that companies are upgrading their corrugators to wider machines, faster machines that uses fewer workers to operate, and also lowers the energy costs in terms of electricity and steam, and even starch costs. In terms of converting for printing, we can see the large orders. Obviously, there's a real need to produce them more efficiently. For smaller orders to short orders, there's a need for digital printing, and for the back to the gluing or the stitching, like the last processes, there we can see either inline machines, folder gluer machines, inline machines with the printer, or automation of some sort. Automation includes robotic arms and pelletizers and so on. So continue on that topic. Obviously, REITs is a long-term partner of HKCPMA, and in 2025, WEPACK will have many exhibitions, and I've been going to the REITs exhibition for the past, I don't know, like 10, 15 years, and every time I go, I've learned a lot. And many of our members and also members of ACCA and ICCA will also attend WEPACK. So that's it for now from me. So thank you very much, and thanks again, REITs, for inviting me to this webinar, and hope everyone have a good afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sito, for that informative section. Next, we will have Mr. Ling Guo, Product Manager at J.S.Machine, who will introduce us to the Jet 450 high-speed and intelligent corrugated production line. Mr. Guo, please proceed with your presentation.
Greetings, everyone. This is Ling Guo from JS. It's my great pleasure to be able to spend this wonderful afternoon with all of you. Please allow me to share with you guys, start with a short video.
I was born for you. I'm the link.
Sorry about that. I forgot to click sharing the. Will you be able to hear the video just now? Because it's not allowing me to share the audio. Oh, this is no. Oh, Yeah, I'm experiencing some technical issues, but never mind. I'll just skip that. I'll jump right into my presentation. Established in 1957, J.S.Machine has a history spanning over 60 years. Initially, it was a factory producing agricultural tools such as sickles and hoes. In 1975, it transformed into a packaging machinery manufacturer, seizing the golden opportunity for development over the next 2 decades. In 1998, we became the earliest listed company in the packaging machinery industry on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange. In 2002, we ventured into the international market. In 2013, J.S.Machine's Indian factory opened in Indore. In 2015, we ventured into a battery automation sector through the acquisition of Omega. In 2017, we expanded into the photovoltaic automation sector with the acquisition of Sheng Solar. As for now, J.S.Machine has a rich history of 66 years. Overall, J.S.Machine is an international manufacturing enterprise integrating research, production, sales, and service. By 2024, our total assets exceeded 10 billion, with net assets surpassing 3.7 billion. We have over 5,000 employees, 18 subsidiaries, and a major production bases. To establish a comprehensive talent ecosystem, we have set up a grassroots training camp to cultivate managerial talents for the company. Additionally, the postgrad class is a platform jointly established with the Huazhong University of Science and Technology to foster technical talents. We also have training camps for middle and senior management, as well as a senior management institute. Through these channels, we provide employees with comprehensive development pathways. Over the past 60 years, we have actively promoted the scientific development of our enterprise, established a good corporate image, and fulfilled our corporate social responsibilities. Notably, that we have over 450 employees with more than 30 years of service in our company. With the expansion of development of overseas market, J.S.Machine's internationalization strategy has achieved a constant success. Our marketing and service network span the globe, covering more than 10 regions, including Southeast Asia, Americas, and Europe. Our products has been exported to over 60 countries and regions, accumulating over 400 partner clients. And furthermore, the rapid development of our overseas research and development, local manufacturing, and overseas exhibition business model has provided the company with new sources of point growth. In the field of research and development and innovation, J.S.Machine is committed to building a global research and development platform and a comprehensive talent ecosystem. Currently, we have established research and development centers in Central, South, and East China and Europe, earning numerous national and provincial technical center titles. So far, we have obtained over 1,000 authorized patents, including 997 utility model patents, 156 invention patents, and 169 software copyrights, and 39 design patents. Up to now, J.S.Machine has received over 300 honors of various sizes, including more than 10 national level honors and over 160 provincial and ministerial level honors. However, honors only belongs only to the past. Creating the future is our eternal pursuit. Moreover, we have established industry university collaborations with renowned universities such as Wuhan University's Huazhong Universities of Science and Technologies, Wuhan University of Technologies, and Hubei University of Technologies to promote technological innovation and talent cultivation. In terms of the supply chain, we have also established close cooperation relationships with world-class enterprises such as Huichuan, WEPACK, SMC, and others, ensuring high-quality supply and coordinated development across all aspects of our ecosystem. Next up, please allow me to share with you some of our star projects and products. First of all, let's take a look at our JETS 450 corrugator production line. By this time, we have launched the Jingrui series JETS 450 corrugator production line, which can be described as an all-around production line that combines efficiency, intelligence, and energy saving. It is suitable for all kinds of high and low weight materials with a minimum gram weight of 45 grams and a maximum design speed of 450 meters per minute. It can achieve high-speed stacking of 330 meters, small batch warping of 20 meters, and high-speed single warping of 220 meters per minute, allowing precise batch splitting. And this is some insights about our single facers and the glue machines. And for the next step that I would like to share with you is that from the operation visual window, the pressure, temperature, and the glue level of the single facer are automatically adjusted according to the order that is being produced. And the system automatically remembers the process parameters, effectively reducing the reliance on operators. The system automatically accumulates paper, monitors the paper accumulation in real time according to the current paper roll situation, and automatically controls the speed of the single facer and double facer to ensure the proper production. It is a constant communication between dry end and the wet end, forming a closed loop and constantly monitoring the production. And also this helps ginormously reducing downtime caused by manual operation errors. And this production line adopts multiple technologies such as the ACS you see right now, the whole line adapted cruising, focusing on addressing the concerns of automations and intelligence in the entire production line. Currently, we have expanded the width up to 3.3 meters and increasing the design speed of the production line to 450 meters per minute. But the entire production line can still remain only requires 4 main operators. Next, we, besides production lines, we are also having the flexo printers with the fixed type top printing, folder gluer or RDC, and open type of top and bottom printing RDC. With the different width and different sizes of the printers, we have different design speeds that suits clients' need. The next thing is what I really wanted to share with you guys is very interesting that we really huge innovation this year where we combined the digital printer with the photo gluer based on the client's requirement. And this is our first innovation of DFG, which is right now being currently in one of our clients in America, and it's been having great feedbacks. Besides the machines and production lines, what connects them is what really matters. When I first entered JS, as I was learning about the factory, they have asked me the question like, what is connecting the production line and the printers and the production really? My first initial reaction and answers would be the conveyors, the belts, or the paper loader, or such other machines that for its purpose. But what really later that I found out is that this is not just regular conveyors, but also there is so much behind it that this is the nerve of the factory that connects all the production line and monitors the whole production, which we call it a solution for the factory. And as you can see right now, this is one of our example that we recently held a open house event in Guangxi Nanning Gomei packaging. And also based on different areas and different clients' need, we're not only connecting the production and machines in one level, but also in multiple, depending on clients' area of the factory. You have limited sizes on one level, so we cannot expand horizontally, but instead vertically. And for us, our main goals is not only to sell the complete corrugators production line, but also we have come up with 65. We have also shortened the production line to 65 meters corrugated production line with a single wall, and also with double wall corrugated length, we have shortened it to 86 meters. All based on clients' need because they have limited factory spaces. And also we provide single facer upgrades, complete wet end and dry end, complete dry end upgrades. This is all covered by JS. And I would like to share with you some of our partner clients that we have worked in the past. Not only that we're expanding our business within Asia, but also globally. And finally, the topic that I would like to cover is what makes us JS, which is, for me, is more important, is our service. That we care, we not only want to produce the best machine that we could, but also that we would like to provide the best service to our clients. So for now, we have established 8 marketing and we have 8 overseas marketing and service regions. And within those regions, we have more than 24 offices and 38 service centers. And we provide 7 24 hours after sales service. And not only that, we have also go beyond and creating the service website 24 hours 7, having our experts from different areas always online, always there, disregarding the time differences, and always there to help. And thank you guys, and that's it from me.
Thank you, Mr. Guo, for that fascinating look into production line technology. Now, let's turn our attention to corrugated printing. Mr. Hogan He, General Manager at Guangzhou Keshenglong Carton Packing Machine, will discuss how a powerful synergy of technologies is transforming corrugated printing. Mr. He, over to you. Mr. He, please unmute first. You are
Okay,
muted.
sorry. And hello, guys. First, I want to say thank you very much for this opportunity. And let me show my PowerPoint first. I'm deeply honored to have this opportunity to share the recent developments of our company. I will provide a brief overview of our progress in recent years. Keshenglong Group, with Keshenglong as the central hub, encompasses the following member companies: Shinko in Japan and Baoshan, Nantai, Jiayi, and Cromwell in China. Keshenglong was founded in 1998, and since then, we have experienced steady growth. Recently, we have expanded by adding several new member companies to the group. In 2017, Shinko joined, followed by Nantai, Jiayi, and Cromwell in 2021. Most recently, in 2022, we established a new production facility in Foshan, named Baoshan. Keshenglong Group's group headquarters cover an area of over 60,000 square meters. We have more than 200 machining machines of various sizes, including 30 ultra-high precision imported machines. This gives our company the capability to process oversized components while achieving exceptional precision. Here, let's take a quick look at the official honors our company has received. Here are some of our long-term strategic partners clients, including renowned group enterprise such as Nine Dragons, Shangyin, Yutong, Wi-Fi, Binxin, and others. Our company growth is inseparable from our long-term investment in technology, which has resulted in our holding numerous industry-related intellectual property rights. Next, let me introduce another member company, Shinko. Established in 1931, Shinko has supplied more than 800 machines worldwide. Shinko pioneered many types of machine in the industry. For example, in 1974, it produced the first electronically controlled flexo printing machine. In 1983, it manufactured the first fixed structure flexo machine. And in 1995, it delivered the first fully servo-controlled flexo machine. In 2022, we delivered 70 FFG machines in just 1 year. Shinko machine offer various sizes options, including a minimum of 600 millimeter, 900, 1100, 1200, 1400, 1600 millimeters. Machines can be achieved a stable maximum speed of 400 sheets per minute. In the diverse and small-scale Japanese market, Shinko can achieve a changeover efficiency of up to 100 changes per shift. In addition, Shinko is capable of manufacturing button printing servo-driven fixed machines, which is the only manufacturer in Japan. Baoshan covers an area of over 100,000 square meters and specializes in the production of gear-driven printing machines, with our annual production capacity ranking among the world's leaders. Additionally, several sporting equipment companies have been established within our enterprise park, creating a one-stop procurement center. Baoshan's flagship product is the Jumbo, which has a maximum width of 2,600 millimeter and a length of up to 5,500 millimeters. The Jumbo production lines has always been one of our flagship products, enjoying strong sales worldwide, particularly in Europe and the United States. It is designed for the gluing and stitching of oversized and heavy boxes in a connected production line. Regarding Nantai Company, it was established in 1981 and it covers an area of over 60,000 square meters. Since 2004, Nantai's technology has been fully synchronized with the flatbed die cutting machines of Japan Asahi Company. Asahi, founded in 1917, is a century-old enterprise specializing in the manufacture of flatbed die cutting machines. Nantai Asahi flatbed die cutting machines are capable of intelligent, stable, and high-speed operation. They offer a variety of product series and can also cut the offset printed paper, microfluid, or corrugated paper. Jiayi was established in 2007 and has two major production bases located in Shanghai and Hunan. Jiayi has successfully developed fully proprietary stitching heads by introducing Italian technology and continuously innovating and improve on its own. Its product range is diverse and is currently a leader in the field of stitching and gluing production lines in China. Cromwell focused on the complete automation of logistics, design, and manufacturing, covering the entire process from the base paper to finished product warehouse and the distribution, while achieving digital connectivity by integrating all operational status information of the factory. All decisions and controls in the factory are fully interconnected, achieving intelligent digitization and automation. This creates a value closed loop that encompasses perception, decision making, and control. Currently, Keshenglong has gathered leading manufacturers of technological products from various fields, becoming a chain-based enterprise. Our company offers one-stop solution and has one has become a comprehensive supplier of intelligent packaging solutions. And now I will move on to introduce our newest information. Now we have a global strategic cooperation between Keshenglong Group and the Hanglory Group. This marks historic collaboration between two industry groups in the fields of flexo printing and digital printing, showcasing how new era productivity is driven high quality development in the industry. Keshenglong Group I just introduced, and on the other hand, about Hanglory Group has been focusing on the research, development, and applications of digital technology for over a decade. As one of the earliest company to develop digital printing technology, Hanglory Group has successfully applied digital technology across various industries, including textiles, garments, labels, PCB boards, UV, and packaging industry. Their innovative products have replaced traditional equipment. Hanglory Group's digital printing technology, with its own proprietary core technology and innovative applications, has made it one of the leaders in the industry and popular. The combination of these two groups is bound to create brilliant synergy in flexo and digital printing technology. We are united in our goal to empower corrugated packaging industry and contribute to new era productivity. We will collaborate in technology innovation, product development, and market expansion, engaging in comprehensive and in-depth cooperation. This strong alliance will undoubtedly bring limitless possibilities to the fields of flexo and digital printing, providing our customer with more flexible, efficient, and comprehensive printing solutions. We believe that the integration of these two technology will not only offer our customer a wider range of choices, but also introduce a new production model to the entire industry. We're looking forward to witness a new chapter in the field of corrugated printing with you in the future. Thank you very much. Thank you all. And pass back to the host.
Thank you, Mr. He, for your valuable insights. To conclude today's presentation, we have Ms. Selina Wang, Sales and Marketing Manager for Corrugated Products at MK Masterwork, who will speak on corrugated production lines. Ms. Wang, the stage is yours.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And today I'm very honored to be here to give you, to all of us, our company's brief introduction and our corrugated production line, and the more about the vantage technologies for the almost over the start to art, the technical to all of you. So first of all, I'm honored to give you a brief introduction of our masterwork, which is established in 1995. For almost 27 years. Masterwork has been the world's leading printing equipment manufacturer and comprehensive service provider in China, with the highest market share. We have over 1,600 employees all over the world. And as the #1 market share of the post-press industry in China, Masterwork has expanded international marketing and achieved a strategic cooperation with the Heidelberg initiating since 2015 and 14, sorry, becoming exclusive supplier in post-press business. After that, we acquired factory in Slovakia and the R&D center in Germany from the Hamburg. And so Masterwork became the largest shareholder of Heidelberg in 2019. Okay, here you can see the overview of our new industrial estate located in Tianjin, China. This part, okay, you will see this. I click this part. Is over the Masterwork headquarters. And here is the industry supporting facilities. Here is importing the facilities and for the e-commerce logistic hub. Okay, here is our major manufacturing base, which consisted in marketing, showroom, CNC center, assembly workshop, and you can see this is pallet smart factory and the Highmaster. We have the joint venture company with the Heidelberg located also be in over the industrial estate. And you can see we have CNC center and we have the 60,000 square meters in here. And the annual design capacity is a 2,000 standard unit. Okay, the standard unit is the 2,000 unit. We can meet over the production capacity of more than 5 billion RMB in the future. And this is the pilot smart factory, Highmaster and joint venture with the Heidelberg, as I mentioned. And here is our office building with the R&D center. Okay. This we will see. This is over the overview of over the manufacturer. This is the assembly workshop. Here you can see this is our major manufacturing basement, which consists this is our CNC center. We are very proud that we have such a great CNC center with around 100 tooling machine inside. Okay, this is the joint venture just I mentioned. It's called Highmaster and provides the high-end part to Heidelberg offsite printing and as well as equipment of Masterwork. Okay, this is our automatic warehouse. As you can see here, the major key components are produced by ourselves so that we can guarantee that we will provide reliability, flexibility, and more stable equipment to our customers. And our product, you can see. Okay, and this slide, I will give you an introduction to our product light are exported to more than 100 countries globally. Our subsidiaries are available in, you can see in Germany, UK, USA, Japan, Slovakia. Okay, you can see that we have the sales team and the service center and R&D in Nassau, Germany, and we have taken over all of the R&D technologies from Heidelberg, and this is our Nassau, German, and we have the smart factory in Slovakia. Yes, and there's over 10,000 systems installed in so many countries worldwide. Okay, here, let's go into today's main superstar and the main machines in our today's the presentation. Okay, this machine we called EcoCut MK 1700, the cutter with a stripping and blanking. And you can see from this part, it can fitting for all of the corrugated and less laminated bird with a stock thickness of 1 to 8.5 millimeters. It can meet of the large format and the cutting requirements of the multi-blanking less laminated bird. And you can see that such as the beer boxes and the express boxes, and we can providing the highly performance solution for our customers. And I just want to highlight the one important the speed. Yes, the speed of this machine. We can up to the maximum speed is 6,000 sheet per hour, and I think it's compared to the other and the same levels, the same format, and the many brand for the equipment. We can find that we have the more advantage for the focus on this part. Okay. Consideration for today's, and I think the pipeline is not very well. So before I just prepare for the video for all of us, this is our the production video. You can find this video from our website. And in the end of the presentation, I will give you how to find that. Okay, you can see we just want to give you a brief introduction for the as options unit we call per feeder 170, and why we provide this this unit. For example, in China, we have the customers producing the 40,000 sheet per day. We can calculate each paper weight is about 0.75 kilograms, equals to the 30 tons one day. Yeah, it's unbelievable, right? And the labor intensity is very big. So it is difficult to employ also the big challenges for the recruitment. And here, the per feeder 170 is a perfect solution to solve these problems. Yeah. And you can see we can we highlight in the calculate, and you can see in here in China it's a very, I think it's very to give the benefit and give the highly improvement for your margin, for your the how to say the margin and your the productivities and the efficiency. Yeah. Okay, I will give you another example of the final product of these machines. You can see this is very popular. It's a very popular product in sample in China. It's a drinker. It's the drinker hot boxes. Okay, and before we don't have the 1700 the machines. We just have the two imposition for to our customers, and you can see that it's a very lamination. Yes, lamination in here, and when the 1700 is launched in 2021, and you can see we can achieve and make this happen to have the three imposition, 1, 2, 3 in here to combine together in one sheet. Yes, in one sheet. So we can we will see that amazing simple that efficiency is a 50% higher increasing by changing two imposition from the two imposition to triple imposition. That make the paper utilizations rate is more than 97%. Yes. Okay, this is China very popular for the dairy corrugated bird. You can see that we have the very common two impositions and 1, 2 in here, and you can see that we can just before we can have the increase from the two imposition to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in here. Yeah. Okay, this is you will see another by the purchase over machines China's customer the production sample. And here you can see the 12 in position, 6 in position, 2 in position. You can see that we can provide different cans, different formats, different highly efficiencies sample to our customers. And we also make sure to the guarantee from our customers' order. We can also as well as we can make the we can make the customized order for our customers. Okay, for this slide, you can see more about the quality boxes in here. For example, is the laminated, is the printing, is the just the corrugated, and is the for the food, is the abnormal, is a normal and abnormal boxes in here. All of these in this slide, all of these, we also can give the higher accuracy and higher qualities to the from our machine to the customer. Okay, including this part, you can see it's very common and popular in the how to say, the fast marketing, the fast marketing. So you can see whatever the spoon, whatever the what this is the wine, whatever is about the here is the stationery. Okay. I just want to give the short comparison for the other competitors. Compared to other competitors, why we can highlight in from them, and what the most advantage from us. I think just to mention the speed. Is the full speed is a 6,000 sheet per hour. I think is the number one to master focus on. And the second, you can see that we can more stable and more get the higher accuracy to the sample. And of course, we can fitting for the stock thickness paper. I think from the 1 to 8 millimeters is another the advantage. So we also have the workstation that other competitors don't have, and we call the mirror. We call the mirror situation machines. Is the opposite. You know, the opposite machine is the mirror. It's a mirror situation. So the two machines together to produce the sample is very to get our customers get a higher efficiency and a higher productivities to the enterprise. Okay. Not only we have the many samples and sales the machines in our customers factories, but also we have also give our machines to display and show on the national the exhibition. And in the last years, we have to extend the Suzhou International Corrugating Packaging Festival. So we got an amazing battle, the first battle, the winning. So in the machine, every day we got running the very perfect and very smoothly for our machines. And I just prepared a video for all of you, but today I just saw consideration the single is not very well. So later I will give you the master how to see the running of the machines video to wear. Okay. Okay, this is in China, in domestic, very famous the customer factory to running the very difficult and the complicated the sample in there. you can see that over the machine can smoothly and non-stop, yes, non-stop, smoothly, more stable to give the final samples, to give the final sample delivery is the very perfect. Okay, except 1700, we also provide another the big format we call EcoCut MK130, the cutting machine, the cutting machine with a scraping, and it's very you can see the maximum sheet size is the 1300 and plus the 960 millimeters. So it's more focused on the diaries. You can see here diaries in China. So our I think it can occupy almost 95% in China. Most of the diary boxes, the customer use these machines is more common. Yeah. Option for this machine, we match the option for the lower section filling and the high pail and the low pail deliveries. Okay, and you can we can provide better we can not only provide the cutting, okay, the cutting machines, will also provide the hot stamping. Yes, these two machines combine the very pre-film the boxes for the customers. Premium folding gift packaging. You can see that the format is the same and the speed is the same. And if we first step, we can we can go through the hot stamping the first, and then go through into the die cutting. So whatever the hot stamping and die cutting, we can produce together. Okay, at final, and this is the slide is over the social media and over the QR code. You can find us from our website www.masterworkgroup.com to find us all of the product volume in there. And the second one is our WhatsApp. You can add us, and our professional sales can contact you and anytime. Okay. We also have the link Facebook and YouTube, and also we have this social media to give you the in-time connections. Okay. That's all for today's sharing and conversations. Thank you very much. And pass by the host.
Thank you, Ms. Wang. You can now start sharing. And a big thank you to all of our speakers for sharing their knowledge today. We hope you found today's sections insightful and inspiring. Remember, you can rewatch today's presentations on globalcorrugated.com, where you can also explore matchmaking opportunities that connect purchasing demands with suppliers. Lastly, don't forget to register for WEPACK ASEAN and WEPACK 2025 using the links provided in the chat box. Thank you all for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our future events.
Thank you, guys. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.